Alright everybody, right now we're about to go look at a dog that we might get. It's a baby border collie, and we might get it, and I'm so excited. I just want to hold a little baby dog one day. I'm super excited. We're gonna go look at it. We probably will get it, and I will see you guys in the car. Alright, we're here. Dang, this thing fell out, so I had to put it on my lap the whole time. We're here. There's the mom and dad border collies.
How are you doing? Is that right? Black and white. And her litter mate, if you look at her feet, this is not brown. That's not like a tri-color brown. It's like blue merle.
Okay.
Her,
So
if
cute.
you go grab my phone, which is uncommon, but just petting the baby.
So cute. We just got the dog. Oh, it's so adorable. Look, let me get a little. Oh,
Once you guys go ahead and
it's
have
so
a seat,
cute.
She's a little fluffy.
Oh, so adorable. Oh.
I knew it was gonna.
Come over to
Do you
me.
think
She's
she's
coming over to me.
yelping at her
Oh,
mom?
she's coming over. Oh, it's okay. I will come for you. Come over here. I will come for you.
Do you
It's
think
okay,
she'll
girl.
pee in the car?
Oh, it's laying on my leg. It's laying on my leg. Oh, dang. Alright. We're here at Yolks. And Caden's gonna chill out here with the dog in the grass.
She likes
Oh,
looking
she's
my
so
toes.
cute. But yeah, we're gonna go get some dog stuff because we didn't even know if we were gonna get her. It was kind of just like, I don't know, just happened, I guess. Here's the doggo aisle. Honestly, I don't even know. We're probably just gonna get some dog food or something because they don't sell kettles here. This is what we're getting. A tiny dog leash. So far, that's all we're getting. They don't sell beds here, so we're probably just gonna have her like sleep in a tote bed just so she doesn't crap all over the floor. Is it just me, or are these actually kind of fun to play with a little bit? This is all we're getting for today. Some dog food, a toy, and then a little leash. Look,
Where are you going?
she's playing with her new toy. She's so cute. Look what my dad got us. It's like a cherry slushy. Thank you, Dad.
Yeah.
Hopefully
they're good.
this looks incredible.
Oh, she looks so fun.
She just goes to the corner and plays with her little toy.
She went and hid in between the couches.
Hey, Liberty. She's so dark, she just blends in with the darkness.
Mine.
Look at her curious and I think she wants it.
No.
Oh,
Oh,
distraction.
lost it.
What's that? Like
It's all
Animal Central.
coming to- She's like,
I'm trying to get Liberty to use the bathroom before she goes to bed. Oh, oh gosh dang. Careful, Liberty. Well, anyways, it's time to go to bed. We got Liberty in the box with the towel down and a little toy she can chill with. Anyways, if you guys want more videos with Liberty, that's what we named her. Make sure to hit that like button. Alright, right now it is 2 a.m. and we're about to take the dog out. We're not going to do it at 3 a.m. because there's no way we're going outside at 3 a.m. Alright, you ready? Hey girl, it's okay. Good puppy. You're a good puppy. Alright, ready? Oh. Mom put something. Don't lock yourself out. If you do, knock on our bedroom window or living room. Well, that's something nice to remember. I think the motion sensing alarms are on. So it should. Oh, there we are. You gotta go to the bathroom, girl? Oh, why am I not focus? She's getting that proper stance. I think she's about to lay a big one. Such a good girl. She ended up going to the bathroom a little bit, and right now it is 2:10. I think our dad's gonna wake her up when he wakes up at like whatever, like 5 or something to let her use the bathroom. But till then, good night, Liberty. Look what's outside this morning. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me focus it in. It's a deer. Liberty's first meal in our house. She's pretty hungry and thirsty this morning.